Say again, please. Here's the way out of boat.
2 years on the wrist with the Omega Speedmaster Professional, the original moon watch. Is there any doubt about its status in the watch community? One of the best chronographs on the planet.
You feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Flight qualified by NASA for all manned space missions. Boom. 2 years on the wrist with the Omega Speedmaster Professional. It's been a roller coaster of 2 years, I'll tell you that, to say the least. It's been exciting, and then it's been traumatic. But overall, it's been an absolute dream. Now, you know it's vintage. Or is it? The Omega Speedmaster Professional, reference 145022-76. She's been overhauled, complete refresh, due to the incident. Now, the link for the speedy break will be down below in case you need to catch up. The original came from the Hawaiian Islands. Since 1965, it's been the watch worn and a part of every NASA space mission. Now, I have the original stainless steel bracelet, but for my wrist, I find more comfort in the leather and NATO straps. But that's just me. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. In 1968 was a great year. 2 years before I was born, things happened and Omega went through a change with regards to this timepiece. They introduced the movement going from a caliber 321 to the popular 861. Caliber 861. Sweet. The first new change since its creation. Now this came with the replacement of the column wheel to shuttle cam for the chronograph, increasing its accuracy and a beat rate of 21,600 vibrations per hour, allowing for a more efficient production and less build cost. Now ultimately, the movement has been around for the next 50 years plus, and I'm pretty sure it has held up to its reputation. I helped my Hawaiian friend buy 2 computers for his twin daughters as they were getting ready to go away to college. That's when I had the opportunity to pick up my Omega Speedmaster Professional Vintage. He wasn't a watch guy, and fortunate enough for me, I was able to land this iconic timepiece in my collection, and it's not going anywhere. It had some great patina and style, some new parts, and Omega has brought the Speedy back to its gorgeous look and functional standard. Yes, I missed it for a couple of months, but once I got it back, wow, was I pleasantly surprised. She's one of the most recognizable watches of all time, an icon, and on the wrist, it is an absolute dream to wear. My favorite straps for this beast are the Aaron Bespoke leather strap, which is cracked black design, fantastic, and 2 Bark and Jack NATOs, black and that silver gray. Beautiful. She's actually on the black crack design as we speak. Fantastic. I'm TheCovertCrow. You can call me Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You'll be notified when the next video drops. That simple. I'm on Instagram at TheCovertCrow. Right there. No problem. I think that's my time for today. We'll see you on the next one.